Two empires, two waterways, one fatal mistake. Britain once controlled the world's oceans. The Suez Canal, Britain's jugular vein. Nasser nationalized the Suez Canal, July 1956. London exploded with rage and wounded pride. A secret plot hatched between three nations. October 29, 1956, Israel struck first. British bombers roared over Egyptian skies. Nasser sank ships, blocked the canal with rocks. Europe's oil supply cut off overnight. Eisenhower called Eden. The message was brutal. Britain's pound collapsed under U.S. pressure. Eden crumbled, a broken man in defeat. Eden resignet. Britain's empire era was over. Suez became shorthand for imperial collapse. 70 years later, history stirs again. February 28, 2026. Trump's Taiwan. 3,000 U.S.-Israeli bombing runs hit Iran. Iran didn't fight back with tanks, with drones. Shahed drones swarmed 5 oil freighters. Dubai's airport shut down by Iranian strikes. Iran seized the Strait of Hormuz. World froze. Oil prices exploded. Global markets panicked. Hermès, LVMH, down 28%. Trump called his allies, demanded they help. Europe refused. Every ally declined. Britain's Starmer denied U.S. bases. Extraordinary. Japan, South Korea, Australia, all said no. Analysts called it America's Suez moment. A British general, America humbled by Iran. Iran collected tolls in yuan, not dollars. The petrodollar system, cracking under pressure. 7,500 oil tankers paralyzed across the Gulf. Gulf nations invested $125 billion, now at risk. Capability is not the same as control. Mines, missiles, drones, Iran's tools of chaos. The US-UK special relationship strained badly. Britain's chancellor rebuked Trump publicly. Starmer said he was fed up with Trump. The Iran war threatened to shatter NATO itself. Trump threatened to pull the U.S. from NATO. Europe began rearming, independently of America. China watched America's humiliation with glee. Like 1956, a rival power rose in the chaos. Pakistan emerged as a key ceasefire broker. Negotiations opened. 2 weeks of diplomacy. Macron called both Trump and Iran's president. A 2-week ceasefire, brokered by China and Pakistan. Trump declared total victory. The world scoffed. Iran's nuclear program unresolved. Hormuz theirs. Like Suez, defeat was political, not military. Historians call it micro-militarism, empire's last gasp. Eden, Trump, both men who shrank their empires. The world questioned America's judgment and governance. Pakistan and Asia shifted to solar, abandoning petrodollars. The hydrocarbon dollar complex eroding fast. Wall Street banks made $40 billion from the chaos. Americans paid more for everything, all at once. Republicans distanced themselves from Trump's war. J.D. Vance, biggest political casualty of Iran. Ceasefire signed. Iran's nuclear program untouched. Britain's navy, too small even to matter. King Charles still visits Washington. Awkward times. Some called it America's Gallipoli, not just Suez. No clear exit plan. Stupendous strategic confusion. Militarily inferior. Strategically, Iran won. The world's policeman. Badge possibly revoked. Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran. The pattern never breaks. 70 years of regime change. Always the same result. Iran's Revolutionary Guard, unbowed, unbroken. A fragile ceasefire. Nobody trusted it would hold. After Suez, Britain's empire unraveled rapidly. After Iran, what the American empire next? Mughal. Critics say he made America smaller. Climate leadership gone. China stepped straight in. Britain went to war to save the pound, and lost it. America went to war to save the dollar. Watch closely. Iran's toll booth on Hormuz, open for business. When luxury collapses, catastrophe follows close behind. Healthcare, housing, food, all rising simultaneously. The post-World War II world order visibly tilting. Russia, China, Iran. A new Eurasian axis forms. Washington's influence across Eurasia fading fast. A new world order emerges from the rubble. Future historians will judge. The verdict is forming. Financial Times. This is America's Suez moment. The lesson of Suez: never go it alone. Iran defied the world's superpower and survived. America, still powerful, but visibly diminished. US-UK special relationship on life support. For the first time in decades, America felt its limits. The Suez clock ticks again. History never forgets. Every empire believed it was the last one. None were. The verdict of history is being written right now. Two waterways, two empires, one shared fate.